Hey guys, Britt here. Today we're going to be changing the pony out in the front grille. So you can see I have the chrome one as of now. We got it pulled up kind of far. Putting black wheels on Monday, so I'm going to black out all the badges, including the black grill pony. So today we're going to show you how to replace that. Some people go through taking the whole front bumper off. Definitely don't want to mess with that. So what we're going to do, this has 8 clips to take this top plastic grill piece off here. Move that out of the way. So as you can see, we already started popping them out. Got the 2 left here. Once we pop them out, this will pull up, and then there's 2mm bolts right here. It's undo the hood release, and then there's a plug on this side that we will undo. Then after that, we'll show you the next step. All right, guys, so we pulled the pony out, and this is the process of fishing out the metal clips that hold the pony on. Once you break the ends off that I showed you earlier, most of these will fall down into the bottom. If not, you kind of tap and the other 2 dropped out. So we're lucky enough, not that we really need them, but you can see this is what the clips look like. I got all 4 of them out. So on the new pony, sit these down here so I don't drop them. The new one here will go on just like this. You just slide, you sit this in the grill, slide these on, and then that's what I was saying as far as running out of hands here. I'll take a smaller socket that fits right over it and use it to push it on evenly down in there to make sure it's tight to hold the pony on all the way. So I will show you the end result of what it looks like after we get it put on there. All right, guys, we're on the home stretch here. Got the clips, got 3 of the 4 clips pretty tight on it, so I'm happy with that. The 4th one didn't work out so well, but it's at least tight. Now, we put the plug back in, tighten the 2 10mm bolts there. We'll slap this back in place. Got all the clips here, put the 8 clips back in. And other than that, pretty self-explanatory, but you can show them, Bryce. Got the start there of blacking it out. I had bought a blackout kit as well for the sides, for the 5.0, saw the red decimal in between, then on the back. Also going to do the GT blacked out, and as you can tell, we'll also have a video on doing some paint correction. Looks like somebody slid some boxes or something out of the trunk, so I'm embarrassed about how dirty the car is right now, but weather around here is kind of crappy and haven't had a chance to really do some paint correction. So stay tuned, subscribe to our channel. We're running a promotion through the end of the year, December 31st, of course, to where we're giving away 4 $50 gift cards. Basically be a random drawing. Anybody that subscribes from here to the end of the year, January 5th, we'll draw 4 people and get a $50 gift card from either CJ Ponies, American Muscle, and what's the third one, Bryce?
LMR.
LMR. So all 4 get to choose which one of the 3 they'd like. So all you got to do is subscribe, like our videos, and stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Tell me when.
Go.
All right, guys. So there'll be 4 little tabs on the back of the horse. They got little metal circles on the back to hold the metal clip to hold this. You break the 4 little things off the back. The metal clips, most likely, I heard one already fall down into the bottom. You can kind of show there. Make sure to have a magnet ready. There's 4 of them. Usually, on other ones we've done, we've only used 2, so if you can get 2 out of there, you're good. If you get all 4 and put them on there, you're good as well. A lot of times you can use like an end of a socket. So say on the pony here, you see these are the clips I'm breaking off on the chrome one there. They'll have the clip, and I'll also show that here in a little bit. But they have the chrome clip. You push them back on so the clip's tight to hold the new pony in. So stay tuned. Let me get this one out here, and we'll install the black one.